Hi everyone, peace be upon you and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm about to make my morning coffee with the Gemilai Whale Espresso machine. It's a compact E61 machine with some genuinely pro-level features packed into a pretty small footprint. Let's turn the machine on and let it warm up while I go over everything it comes with. So we've got this beautiful walnut double spout portafilter, a matching walnut tamper, a milk frothing pitcher, an anti-scald cap for the group head, an extra basket for a single shot, cleaning disc, cleaning brush, a small screwdriver, and the user manual. Design-wise, this machine is really nice. It looks and feels premium with a durable steel and brass construction. It's only about 9 inches wide and about 17 inches deep, so it fits on pretty much any counter. I got the color ivory white, but it also comes in midnight black and metallic silver, which has a smooth chrome finish. There's the pressure gauge right on top of the group head, and a display over here that shows the steam boiler temperature and brew or steam time. The drip tray on this is pretty big, and it's really easy to pull out and empty, which I appreciate on a machine this size. And over here is the drain spout that expels residual water, which keeps your puck dry and prevents any bursts when you take the portafilter out immediately after brewing. If you're using a scale under the group head, just keep it clear of that spout so that you're not throwing off your reading. One important safety note is the group head gets very hot during use. You can use the guard that comes with it, especially if you've got little ones around. This is a classic E61 brass group head, which means hot water naturally cycles through the group to keep the brew temperature stable shot after shot. And because it's a heat exchanger system, you can actually brew and steam at the same time instead of waiting on one or the other. We've also got the adjustable OPV, that's your overpressure valve. You can preset your extraction pressure before you pull the shot, or adjust it while you're brewing. I used the cleaning disc as a blind basket and set my baseline to 9.5 to 10 bars, which is Gemilai's recommended setting for medium to dark roast. Okay, let's make a drink. I'm using the Gemilai Mote grinder. It's got an 80-gram bean hopper, so you could put about 4 shots worth of beans in there, but I like to single dose. I'm weighing out 18 grams and a grind size of about 3.8. I currently have the pre-infusion set to 0, but this machine does have an adjustable pre-infusion system. Pre-wetting is self-explanatory, but the pre-infusion pause gives the grounds in the puck time to bloom and saturate evenly before the full pressure kicks in. Now for the milk. This steam wand is seriously powerful. A lot of home espresso machines take 40 to even 60 seconds to steam a pitcher of milk. This machine steams 5 ounces of milk in about 20 seconds, depending on how hot you want it. A little safety disclaimer here. Be careful not to burn yourself from the steam when you're purging the wand before or after steaming. Just be mindful of where you're aiming it. And there it is. That's the Gemilai Whale in all its glory. This video is sponsored by Gemilai, and I'll drop a link to the machine down in the description if you want to check it out for yourself. I also have a discount code which will also be in the description. If you have any questions about the machine, comment below. As always, thank you so much for watching. I hope you're doing well, and I'll talk to you in the next one.